BYD has revealed the all-new BYD Racco, company's first ever Kei Car. The newcomer was introduced at the Japan Mobility Show as BYD's first model designed exclusively for overseas markets. The Racco features a short hood, upright windshield, sliding doors, flat sides, and a near-vertical rear end with almost no overhang. It has a C-shaped LED lighting signature on both ends and rides on 15-inch alloy wheels. Furthermore, it comes fitted with disc brakes on all four wheels. Inside the four-seater cabin, amenities include a digital cockpit with a small instrument cluster and a larger freestanding infotainment that is not usually found in the segment. BYD didn't release the detailed specifications of the electric powertrain, but confirmed that the Racco will be front-wheel drive. According to reports, the 20 kilowatt-hour battery will offer around 180 kilometers of range, although numbers remain unconfirmed. The EV is also expected to be compatible with fast charging of up to 100 kilowatts. Guys, if you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.